Hi, this is Arlen Donaldson, real estate agent here in Dallas, Texas. Next question is, what are the steps in buying a house? What do you think? The key steps of buying a house, including securing the financing. That's why if you work with a realtor, make sure that you have the pre-approval first. And then the next one is finding the right properties. Make sure that it is in your budget and this is the criteria that you really like. The third one is making an offer. And this is between you and the agent. They make an offer for you, okay? And conducting inspection. Very important to do an inspection. And closing the deals. Make it easier, but from securing the financings, a lot of documents, finding the right property, it's a lot of driving for me. Making an offer, so it's like 13 pages, contract. Conducting the inspection is very important, like back import negotiation. Closing the deal is like really the date, signing all the documents. That's the easiest one. Working with knowledgeable real estate agent can get really streamline this process and ensure that the transaction is very smooth from contract to closing. Have a great one.